Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add filters on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut and click a new project. Add video that you want to edit, this one. Click add at the bottom. Now I will show you this is the original video like this, but in here I want to add filters on video, so you just click on the clip, and at the menu you can swipe until you can see filters. This one, and then click on it, and in here you can see many filters on CapCut. You can choose everything you like, maybe this one, this one, this one, or this one. After this, you can click check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to add filters on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.